Good morning, my name is Christopher Paul. I am the product manager of Kassandra, and I will be demonstrating the latest alpha version of the Kassandra project server to you today. Kassandra is a project planning and progress tracking server targeting small to medium team sizes. It is an open source project and has an Apache 2.0 license. Kassandra supports OIDC authentication and authorization. I just logged into the server using my Kassandra.org ID. The first page you see when you log into the server is the products page, where all products are listed. Let's start by adding a new product by selecting the Create button. Let's call it Jupiter. Now let's create a custom product avatar using Kassandra's AI image generation feature. I'll click the magic wand button next to my name field. This opens the AI image generation dialog. Here I can describe the avatar I want, generate it, upload an existing image, or download the result. I am happy with the default prompt. Now I'll click the Generate button to create the avatar using AI. This will take a few moments. Great! The AI has generated an avatar based on my description. I can see the preview here in the dialog. I'm happy with this avatar, so I'll click Accept to use it for my product. Kassandra supports access control lists, or ACL for short. This allows us to control who can access our product. Let's grant access to our team group so all team members can collaborate on this product. Perfect. Now all members of the team group will have access to the Jupiter product, all its versions, features, and sprints. Select Save to close the dialog and persist our new product with its access control settings. And we got ourselves a new product. Notice the access column shows that one group has access to this product. With the little notepad and trash can icons on the right side, you can edit or delete your product. Let's select our product. This takes us to the versions page. Every product can have any number of versions. Jupiter is a totally new product, so let's create a first version for it. Select the Create button. Let's use the obvious 1.0.0. Select Save to close the dialog and persist our version, and we got ourselves a new version. The little notepad and trash can icons on the right side can be used to edit or delete your version. Let's select our version. This takes us to the Features page. Features are what we actually want to plan and track, although they are split into one or more sprints. Every product version can have any number of features. Let's assume Jupiter is a cloud service. So the first feature would be a microservice that supports retrieving configurations. Select the Create button. Let's call the feature Config Server. Now let's create a custom feature avatar using Kassandra's AI image generation feature. I'll click the magic wand button next to my name field. This opens the AI image generation dialog, just like in the product dialog. Let's again use the default prompt. Again, generation will take a few moments. The speed depends on your GPU's performance. Okay, the AI has generated an avatar based on my description. I can see the preview here in the dialog. If I want to refine the image, I can use the Update button. This uses the current image as a starting point and applies my prompt to modify it. Let me adjust my description slightly. I'll click Update to refine the avatar with green tones instead. Perfect! The avatar has been updated with the new color scheme while maintaining the overall style. I'm happy with this avatar, so I'll click Accept to use it for my feature. Select Save to close the dialog and persist our feature. Jupiter has its first feature. Again, as in the other pages, the little notepad and trash can icons on the right side can be used to edit or delete your feature. Let's select our feature. We are now on the sprints page of our product. On this page, we however only see sprints related to the feature we just selected. Let's create a sprint for our feature and just call it Minimum Viable Product. Select the Create button. Now let's create also a custom sprint avatar using Kassandra's AI image generation feature. Again, the AI image generation dialog, just like in the product and feature dialog, you will find this dialog in a lot of places. Let's use the default prompt. Again, generation will take a few moments depending on your GPU. Okay, the AI has generated an avatar based on my description. I can see the preview here in the dialog. I'm happy with this avatar, so I'll click Accept to use it for this sprint. Select Save to close the dialog and persist our sprint. That was easy. Now we need to start planning our sprint. We do this in the Tasks page, not by selecting the sprint, but configuring it with the small cog icon on the right side. This is the page where you plan your sprint, including the Gantt chart.